Jai Gurudev Ji, Dhan Gurudev Ji. This is me, Kuljit Kaur. Wanted to share some history of Sant Ramanand Maharaj Ji. Some unique personalities take birth in this wonderful world who become immortal through their great deeds in the service of society. However, true saints are the beacon of enlightenment for the entire community. Divisions based on country, borders, color, caste and creed are meaningless for them. Sant Ramanand Maharaj Ji's father, Sri Mengaram Ji, and other ancestors who were devotees of Dera Sachkhand Balla migrated from the village Balla during 1910 to 15 to settle down at village Alawalpur, district Jalandhar. Leading a normal married life, Sri Mengaram Ji and Bibi Jeet Kaur Ji never thought that they would be blessed with a son who would unite the entire depressed community like beads of rosary and play a marvelous role in bringing all the round glory to a place of worship, Dera Sachkhand Balla, known to the whole world, which future generations shall always be really proud of. Because of the untiring efforts of Satguru Swami Niranjan Das Maharaj Ji and Sant Ramanand Maharaj Ji, now Dera Sachkhand Balla is known as the Mecca for all the humanity and especially for Dalits. Shri 108 Sant Ramanand Maharaj Ji was born on 2nd February 1952 in the house of blessed parents, Sri Mengaram Ji and Srimati Jeet Kaur Ji. He was of saintly nature from the very birth. His charming looks created a captivating spell on the people of the locality. He completed his graduation from Doaba College, Jalandhar. He liked company of saints from his childhood, which had led to divine enlightenment because of his devotion. Sant Ramanand Maharaj Ji used to pray to God every moment in meditation, even while carrying out domestic works. Ultimately, Ramanand Maharaj Ji was at service of sacred feet of Shri 108 Sant Haridas Ji, Dera Sachkhand Balla. He was blessed with Namdan by Shri 108 Sant Haridas Maharaj Ji. Sant Ramanand Maharaj Ji continued medication of God while staying in the beautiful temple built in the memory of Baba Pippal Das Ji at village Balla from 1973 onwards. He also had a great fortune of traveling with the latter to several countries for preaching and spread of teachings of Shri Guru Ravidas Ji. Later, he visited several countries under the directions of present spiritual head Shri 108 Sant Niranjan Das Maharaj Ji and helped construction of many temples and linking devotees in foreign countries with the preaching of Shri Guru Ravidas Ji. While preaching and spreading the teachings of Shri Guru Ravidas Ji through congregation of saints throughout the world, he always played a leading role in carrying out the various tasks in the service of humanity under many charitable projects run by Dera Sachkhand Balla. He provided praiseworthy services as editor of Begumpura Sheher, published by Dera Sachkhand Balla, for which he was honored by Dalit Literary Academy with a prestigious award. It was for the first time when he created history, delivering his speech about Shri Guru Ravidas Maharaj Ji at the House of Commons in the United Kingdom. Not only he established Shri Guru Ravidas Sangeet Academy at Dera Sachkhand Balla, but his visionary instincts could identify many talented missionary singers, poets and writers who were honored with gold medals. Jalandhar Doordarshan telecast programs named Amrit Bani Shri Guru Ravidas Ji and Begumpura Sheher Ko now rendered in his captivating voice. Shri 108 Sant Ramanand Maharaj Ji were on a mission to preach and spread the teachings of Shri Guru Ravidas Maharaj Ji. Enemies of humanity attacked and seriously injured them inside Shri Guru Ravidas Mandir in Vienna, Austria. Even after being hit by bullets, Sant Ramanand Maharaj Ji continued to chant name of Jagat Guru Ravidas Maharaj Ji, echoing that he still wanted to do a lot for preaching and spread of his vision, but destiny willed otherwise, and he left the short-lived world for his heavenly abode early morning on 25th May 2009. Sant Ramanan Maharaj Ji is no physically with us because of most unfortunate incident as at Vienna, Austria, but his noble thoughts shall always be with us to lead us on the right path. Jai Gurudev Ji, Dhan Gurudev Ji.